Did you know there are websites paying creators to upload faceless videos, and they're not just limited to YouTube? Platforms like Rumble, TikTok, and Dailymotion offer exciting opportunities to earn money with your video content. If you've been struggling to monetize your creativity or expand beyond YouTube, this video will reveal 10 websites where you can earn cash simply by uploading faceless videos. Whether you're into educational content, entertainment, or trending memes, there's a platform out there eager for your work. Let's dive into uploading and monetizing your videos on these platforms. Rumble is a lesser-known platform that rewards creators for original video content. What sets Rumble apart is its licensing model. When you upload a video, you can retain ownership or sell rights to your content. You can earn from views and partnerships with major brands that purchase and redistribute your videos. For faceless video creators, think of content like tutorials, animations, or news recaps. Rumble loves clean, professional content with broad appeal. The platform's payment system is transparent, and they even share ad revenue with creators, offering an attractive alternative to YouTube. TikTok, known for its short-form video format, is another powerful platform for faceless creators. Successful TikTokers never show their faces. They focus on engaging content like life hacks, explainer videos, or voiceover clips paired with compelling visuals. The TikTok Creator Fund allows eligible creators to earn money based on video performance metrics like views, likes, and shares. Combine this with brand sponsorships, and the income potential is enormous. The key to success is consistently posting highly engaging, trend-driven content that resonates with your niche audience. Dailymotion offers another revenue-sharing opportunity for video creators. With over 300 million unique users monthly, it's a viable platform for distributing faceless videos. Dailymotion's partner program shares ad revenue with creators, and the platform supports various content formats, including news segments, music compilations, and animated storytelling. It provides faceless creators with a stage to repurpose evergreen content or experiment with new ideas without the competitive saturation found on YouTube. Odysee, a blockchain-based video hosting service, is a platform worth exploring for unique opportunities. Odysee rewards creators with cryptocurrency through its built-in reward system, offering a unique alternative to traditional ad revenue sharing. For faceless creators, content that appeals to niche audiences, such as educational tutorials, tech reviews, or animated explainer videos, performs well. Success on Odysee requires consistency and leveraging the platform's decentralized nature to connect with communities interested in blockchain and free speech-focused content, making it an intriguing platform for creators. Another overlooked platform is Storyblocks, which allows creators to upload and sell stock video content. High-quality footage of landscapes, cityscapes, or abstract animations can generate consistent passive income for faceless creators. Unlike ad-based revenue models, Storyblocks works on a subscription basis, meaning contributors receive regular payouts when users download their content. Success here involves creating evergreen, versatile clips for marketing campaigns, presentations, or other professional settings. Those willing to think unconventionally should consider Skillshare as a platform to monetize faceless videos. Instead of relying on ad revenue, creators can design courses teaching others how to create faceless videos, master editing software, or optimize video strategies for niche platforms. Skillshare pays based on watch time, so crafting engaging, in-depth lessons is key. Pair your course with downloadable resources or templates to add extra value, making it more likely to attract students. Another unconventional idea is creating faceless content specifically for Patreon. Use your channel or other social platforms to funnel subscribers to your Patreon, where you can offer exclusive faceless content, such as detailed tutorials, behind-the-scenes processes, or access to unique templates and tools. Success on Patreon often comes from building a loyal audience through consistent interaction and delivering high-quality, subscriber-only content. Finally, consider Ko-Fi as a direct support platform for your videos. Use your Ko-Fi page to offer perks like early access to videos, downloadable content, or personalized guidance for aspiring faceless creators. Promote your Ko-Fi link in your video descriptions and social media to encourage viewers to support your work directly, bypassing the need for ad revenue altogether. Combining creativity with these unconventional platforms can unlock new revenue streams and set you apart from competitors. Vimeo provides a high-quality alternative to mainstream platforms like YouTube and is particularly attractive for creators focused on professional or niche content. While Vimeo doesn't offer traditional ad-based revenue, it excels in subscription and pay-per-view monetization. Faceless video creators can use Vimeo to host premium content like in-depth tutorials, exclusive webinars, or animated explainer videos. Vimeo's tools allow creators to embed videos on their websites and charge viewers directly. To maximize success, focus on crafting polished, value-driven content that resonates with specific audiences, such as business professionals or educators, who are willing to pay for high-quality insights. Buy Me a Coffee is an excellent platform for creators looking to monetize their audience directly through community support. It allows fans to contribute one-time donations or subscribe for ongoing perks like exclusive content, early video access, or behind-the-scenes insights. Faceless creators can leverage Buy Me a Coffee by offering personalized incentives, such as downloadable templates, mini tutorials, or exclusive faceless video editing workflows. The platform's simplicity makes it easy to integrate into your existing content strategy. Place links in video descriptions or pin posts on your social accounts to drive engagement. Repurposing content across multiple platforms, including YouTube, is an excellent strategy for maximizing reach, monetization potential, and efficiency. By tailoring your videos slightly to fit the unique requirements of platforms like Rumble, Dailymotion, TikTok, and Vimeo, you can tap into diverse audiences without creating entirely new content for each channel. For example, a long-form tutorial designed for YouTube could be trimmed into bite-sized clips for TikTok or Instagram Reels, offering value in different formats while driving traffic back to your central content hub. Platforms like Buy Me a Coffee can be used in tandem to monetize exclusive versions or behind-the-scenes content from these videos, creating multiple revenue streams. Each platform offers unique opportunities for faceless video creators to earn money and build an audience. The key to success lies in tailoring your content to the platform's strengths, staying consistent, and engaging with your viewers. By diversifying your reach and experimenting with these sites, you can unlock new income streams and elevate your creative journey.